Hello everyone. So in this video, I am going to explain how to fetch data that is in Parquet format in Data Lake. So I have opened my Synapse Studio. So in this Synapse Studio, the commands will be very simple. Select star from openrowset and then the file path. So this is my file path, and simply we need to provide the format, okay, like Parquet format, because I am going to fetch my data that is in the Parquet format. So let's run this. The benefit of using a Parquet format is in it always be in the compressed form, and its size is comparatively small. And when we fetch the Parquet data, we don't need to provide a schema, because it has a capability to get a schema automatically. So we can see here, I just fetched the data and I did not specify the schema, but I can see the schema of this table also. Here we can see the data. Now, but we have a option to provide schema, okay? Like here, using this width, we can provide the schema. So first I am giving tip amount float. Let me give a fair amount also. So whatever column I need, I just need to provide here. Okay, and then need to provide a data type. Same, I can get one more extra column called extra float. Okay, now let's specify table name. Now let's run this. So we will see only three column because we have provided a schema externally. Okay, so we can fetch the data schema automatically. Otherwise, we have an option to provide a schema using this width. Okay, so this is a one simple way to extract data from Parquet file. So now next is just assume we have a Parquet file, but that is in the partition folder. Let me show you the structure of the file first. I'm opening my storage account. First, I will show the structure of file. Then I will show how to fetch the data. Okay. So in the silver, so I stored the data. Okay, and that data, and I divided the data into divided means I partition the data based on year. So first I divided year is equal to 2020 and year is equal to 2021, because in my data I had 2 year, 2020 and 2021. So I partitioned based on the year, and then I partitioned based on the month. So here we can see we have the data for all month. Okay, like that. Now what the first thing is, if we can fetch the data from all partition. This is the first thing. So in this case, if we try to fetch data from all partition, okay, simply we can run this query. Okay, and I, instead of providing a complete path, here we can see I provided a complete path. Year is equal to 2020 and month is equal to 1. But here I am providing year is equal to star, month is equal to star, means I am trying to fetch the data from all the year and all the month. Okay, so we can compare this query. In my first query, I tried to fetch data from 2020 and month 1. Okay, and I fetch the data using this one. Okay, but in the second one, I am trying to fetch data from all year, all month without any date and month. Okay, so let me just run this. So we will see the data now. So this data is for all month and all year. Now we have an option to provide a filter. Okay, so this is the filter. Now what is the mean of file path 1 and file path 2? Come to the storage account. So I partition the data. So my first partition was year. Okay, so this year is my file path 1, and then inside the year I have a second partition called month. So this month is a file path 2. So assume if I have one more partition called date, then date will come under file path 3. Okay, so now I want to fetch data from file path 1. uh, I want to fetch data for 2020 and month 1, so simply I have to fetch like that. We can see. So now I am fetching data for 2020 month 1. So if I want to fetch data for month 2, simply I just need to replace 1 with 2. Okay, or if I want to fetch data for 2021, then remove 0, give 1. Or I want to fetch data for only 2021, okay, without any month, then uh, I can remove this AND command and I can run only this remaining command, like as usual that we write in a SQL. Like we know how to apply filters in a SQL command. So same way we have to apply here also while fetching the data from file. So this is all about fetching data from Parquet file. First I explained directly fetch data from files. Second, if we have a data in partition folder. Okay, so we just need either, if we have a data in partition folder, then we can fetch all the data. Okay, uh, we can fetch all data, but we need to use star in partition folders, for partition folders. Okay, where star year is equal to star, month is equal to star, means all year, all month. And after that, if we want to apply a filter based on some year or month, then we have an option called file path 1, file path 2, file path 3. So which file path we have to use, it's based on our requirement. Like if we want to fetch data for year, then file path 1, month, then file path 2. Or if we have a one more partition called year, month, then date, then to get the data for particular date, we have to provide file path 3. Thank you.